Madam Speaker, to enhance the rule of law and to step up the fight against corruption, I have provided shillings 381.6 billion to the judiciary, shillings 95.0 billion for the Directorate of Public Prosecution, shillings 876.4 billion for the Uganda Police, and shillings 308.7 billion for the Uganda Prison Service. I have also allocated 79.4 billion for the Inspectorate of Government. Madam Speaker, in financial ending June 2022, 234 billion was provided for implementation of the PDM. Now I turn to agricultural production. Madam Speaker, agricultural production will be enhanced using the first pillar of the parish development model that addresses production, agro-processing, and marketing through enhanced access and entry to national, regional, and global markets. I have allocated shillings 564.39 billion to increase production and productivity through the Ministry of Agriculture, Animal Industries, and Fisheries. Madam Speaker, I have allocated shillings 268 billion in the next financial year 2022-23 for actions to mitigate and adapt to climate change. Now I turn promoting agro-industrialization, standards, and market entry. Madam Speaker, promoting agro-industrialization, enforcing product standards, and enabling market access and entry are key aspects for creating wealth and jobs. I have allocated 1.449 trillion to promote agro-industrialization standards and market entry. Madam Speaker, I have provided tourism activities with shillings 194.7 billion to complement private sector investment and support its recovery. I have allocated shillings 1.027 trillion towards the water and environmental sub-program. Now I turn to education. Madam Speaker, education is a key opportunity equalizer for human beings. Madam Speaker, I have allocated 4.14 trillion towards the education and skilling sub-program. I have allocated shillings 4.3 trillion next financial year for the transport infrastructure development and maintenance.